Okay, Rado, good morning. Somebody gave me, they cleaned up a place, a store where for somebody who died. They asked me if I want this stuff. This is a lot of this radio control cars. It's mostly a crap. It's just like parts of it. And so here and there is something that looks like you can use it. It's like this little chopper, a mini spy buck. And yeah, but here's something nice. Here's like two racing cars, but I've already cleaned one. What the best option is just to clean it and let the little children play with it. Just take all electronics out and just make sure it's clean and wash them. So 3 boxes full of stuff, and here's also let's see, here's a plane or something, some sort of SU-30 Russian radio control thing. But I think, as I said, I think the things, none of them have like battery packs, so I'm not gonna go spend money in it. So I'm just gonna go just clean it up nicely and just maybe use it as a display or something. And I don't know if you remember this thing. This was once it's like a little flying saucer or something. It's got small battery inside, lithium battery. And okay, but here's a funny thing. I don't know what is this UFO emitter. I'll check in line. What is that? Okay, I'll show you when I clean some of them. So I think the nicest project, I think I'm gonna try to get these choppers maybe going, and I'm gonna clean this racing car. It's my next job. Gonna make a video of that. And oh, nice stuff. You can see this guy he enjoyed these racing cars. I just need to find. There's also a motorbike here. See, here's a kind of a motorbike scrambler. All the space is in here. Here's a lot of these remotes. And it's a little racing guy. Okay. That's just something from me. So as I start cleaning up, I will start. Here's a small chopper. I need to charge it, obviously, to make it working. Alright. Okay, now first job, start stripping and start cleaning. Okay, first I'm gonna remove the top side and just see what can I maybe wash. Some of the labels I blowed with air, some of the labels came off. Looks almost like Checker 60 men inside there. Okay, here's I stripped it somehow. You can see I think the steering sit in front here and the half. Look very funny way that thing is out. There's electronics, a big relay sitting there, and here's the motor in the back part. You can see this thing has been around the block for a while. There's a lot of, look at the oil coming out of the diff there, and full of dust. But I'll start cleaning it now. Okay, I cleaned this now, and then I left it in the sun to dry, and then I'm gonna put it together again now. Okay, this is I'm finished cleaning it now. Put it back together again. The labels and stickers is mostly off, but it's fine. It's nice for somebody to play with, and it's a really nice car. Formula car. Yeah, say. Okay, this is my first car finish. Cleaned up and nice for somebody to play with. Hope you enjoyed this video. Cheers.